Hi, I'm Marty Salt, and you're watching WFTV.com's Care Connect. Health emergencies can happen at any time, and when they do, of course, it's important to know where to turn. HCA Florida Healthcare is working to expand access to emergency care, and here to tell us more is HCA Florida Poinciana Hospital Medical Director, Dr. Mahir Tak. And welcome, Doctor. Thanks so much for being with us.
Great to be here.
Now, you are also an emergency medicine doctor, so what are the most common emergencies that you see coming into the ER?
Sure. So HCA Florida Healthcare has the largest emergency care network in the state. We treat adult patients for chest pain, cardiac complaints, as well as shortness of breath. In our pediatric population, tends to be upper respiratory symptoms is the most common concern. Gastrointestinal issues are also common for both adults and children, but of course we treat severe medical conditions like broken bones and lacerations as well.
So we've all seen these freestanding emergency rooms all around the area. Tell us about those.
So HCA Florida Healthcare has opened several new freestanding emergency departments over the last year, in addition to our 5 main hospitals, kind of in order to provide greater access to areas that a hospital may be a long drive away from. But they function essentially like a normal hospital. They have CT scans, x-rays, radiology, and lab services, and are open 24/7 for all adult and pediatric needs.
So if you have to call 911 for an emergency, how does the ambulance driver know where to take you?
That's a great question. So typically the determination is based on what the nature of the medical issue is. If you're having a traumatic injury or a stroke, typically you want to go to a facility with the expertise to handle those critical situations. Thankfully, HCA Florida Healthcare has 2 comprehensive stroke and trauma centers in the greater Orlando area, in addition to all our freestanding hospitals, so you're never truly far from excellent care.
So that takes us to a basic question is, how do you know if you have a true emergency? People may be reluctant to pick up the phone and call 911 thinking, well, no, maybe we need to wait.
If you're having severe chest pain, shortness of breath, you're bleeding, or had a traumatic injury, please call 911 immediately. If you're ever unsure, HCA Florida Healthcare has a free phone service where you can talk to a licensed nurse and they can kind of walk you through the next steps. Please call Consult a Nurse at 844-70-NURSE anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they can kind of walk you through the next steps of whether you need to go to the ER.
Thanks so much. That is good information and a number worth writing down. If you would like to learn more about comprehensive health care and emergency services in our area, visit HCAFloridaHealthcare.com. I'm Marty Salt, and thanks for watching.